Hi everyone, welcome back to Origin of the Universe. We're happy to have you here with us today. Whether you are on your way home or maybe doing something else, we hope something new will be learned during this episode. I'm one of the hosts, John, and I'm here with Daniela, Lisette, and Eva. Today, meaningful information and different points of view about the universe will be discussed. It has been calculated that 95% of the universe is made of substances that cannot be directly observed. But, girls, is that actually true, or is something still being misunderstood?
Hello, everyone, and thank you for listening to us to begin this journey through the universe. An important scientific explanation will be shared. According to NASA and its educational website, NASA Spaceplane, in its earliest stages, the universe was formed by extremely tiny and hot particles mixed with light and energy. At the time, nothing like the star or planet that we know today had been formed. As space expanded, the universe began to cool. Gradually, small particles were pulled together by gravity. Atoms were formed, and later, stars and galaxies were created. After millions of years, more complex structures were developed. The first stars were formed, and inside them, heavier elements were produced. When those stars eventually died, their materials were received into space. For that material, planets, comets, asteroids, and even black holes were created. According to this theory, the universe began as an extremely small and dense one, and then it started to expand until it reaches its current size. What is even more impressive is that it is still expanding today. Okay, but does anyone know what this very important theory is called? And how long ago did it happen?
That's a great question, Lisette. That event is known as the Big Bang. Although it is often described as a great explosion, it was not an explosion in space. Instead, space itself was expanded. It is estimated that this event occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Evidence supporting this theory has been collected over decades. For example, cosmic microwave background radiation was detected in 1965, and it is considered a strong proof that the universe was once extremely hot and dense. In fact, some scientists suggest that the name Great Expansion will be more accurate because the expansion of the space was what actually happened.
Oh wow, I find it incredible to think that everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, and even ourselves represents only about 5% of the total universe. So, what makes up the other 95%?
Excellent question. Daniela, scientists explain that most of the universe is composed of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter cannot be directly observed because light is not emitted or reflected by it. However, its existence has been inferred from gravitational effects. It is believed that galaxies are held together by this invisible matter. Dark energy, on the other hand, has been proposed to explain why the expansion of the universe is accelerating. It is thought that galaxies are being pushed farther apart by this mysterious force. Although these components cannot yet be fully explained. Extensive research is being conducted, large telescopes are being used, and complex data are being analyzed. New discoveries are constantly being made, and theories are continuously being tested.
It's fascinating how much has already been discussed and yet how much remains unknown. Over centuries, observations have been recorded, models have been developed, and missions have been launched into space. Even today, new images of the distant galaxies are being captured, and more advanced technology is being designed. The universe continues to be explored with curiosity and determination.
That's correct, Daniela. Now, I would like to share some interesting facts about space. First, the Great Return. The Artemis 2 mission is being prepared to take humans back to lunar orbit this year. These missions will be the first real step toward living on other worlds in the future. Another interesting fact is about nearby black holes. Signals from wandering black holes have been detected closer to our solar system than scientists previously believed. These black holes move quietly through the Milky Way.
Finally, there is an event we will be able to see on the night of August 25 to 28, 2026. A very partial lunar eclipse will happen. About 93% of the moon will be covered by Earth shadow. It will be an amazing view from cities in Colombia. The eclipse will begin around 8:23 p.m. and the maximum point will be reached at 11:12 p.m. Don't forget to mark your calendar for August.
Oh, that's interesting, Daniela. In conclusion, today it was understood that the universe began with the Big Bang approximately 13.8 billion years ago, and that it is still expanding. It was explained that the stars and galaxies were formed over billions of years, and that most of the universe is made of dark matter and dark energy, which cannot yet be fully observed. Also, although many mysteries remain unsolved, scientific investigation continues to be carried out. The wonders of the universe are still being discovered, and new knowledge is constantly being generated. For our next episode, a fascinating place will be discussed: the planetarium, where immersive experiences about space are offered and astronomical knowledge is shared. One more time, thank you for being here.